Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. I believe this is number 4, part 4. I can't remember. Never mind. So I finished one of the sleeves just to want to show you. So I wanted to show you how to pick up stitches and then how to do the decrease right away, because I noticed that this was pretty big for me. So as soon as I did a couple of decreases, I was good, because I don't like big sleeves, like wide sleeves, let's say it that way. So this is how I did it. Let me just put it on and show it to you with a sleeve, of course. So this is how it looks like. I haven't blocked it or anything, so it's still in working process. It takes forever. So right here, I'm going to show you how to do it. And then here's what I did is, I didn't do the increase. What I did is I do a yarn over and I got rid of one stitch. So there was no increase on this part, these eyelets. And I did the yarn over on the next stitch. So I continue to give that look, just to show you. Okay, so here is the second sleeve. Because I knitted more on the back, I'm happy that I did. That gave me more room. So this extra is extra compared to this part, to the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up stitches. I tied my yarn right there. Okay, so I'm going to use a crochet hook as a helper, and then I'm going to grab 3.75 millimeter knitting needle I have here. Yeah, 75. That's how I knitted the front, the other sleeve. And what I did is when I came to the lace, I increased it to a 5, I believe it was a 5, yeah. So, and that kind of made me control the sleeve where the bicep area is, as you can see. Okay, so I've got my needle. So I'm going to pick up stitches. As you can see, it's pretty loosely here. So I'm just going to come right here and then pick up a stitch. Okay. It's always the first stitch that's difficult to pick up. So now I can use my needle to pick up the stitches. I haven't counted how many stitches I picked up, but it should be the same, as I'm using the same method. Okay, so I'm going to put my marker right here because I'm going to get rid of one stitch here. Okay, you just grab this marker because I have no use for it anymore. The sleeve is finished. Okay, and then this is going to be the middle of the sleeve, the underarm. That's what the word. That's where the underarm is. Come on, focus. It won't let me focus. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to pick up stitches just like this, just to close that gap. Okay. Okay, it's too big. Don't like that, so I'll just go one row underneath because I don't want a big, huge. So as you can see, because of the lace, there's too many gaps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come one here, and then I'm going to jump right here. Just like this. And then I'm going to continue. Okay, just like this. Okay, I'm just going to come here. Still, it's a huge gap. What I'll do is I'll come here as well. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll get rid of one stitch here. So I'm going to put another marker right there to know. So what's going to happen is on the next row, I'm just going to knit the first row. Okay, while I'm knitting, I'm not gonna do any, well, yeah, I'm gonna do the eyelet right here. It's done every 5 rows, I believe, and it was time to do it. Okay, here we go. So I'm not gonna make an eyelet here, of course, because it's right under arm. And then just wanted to show you, and you can do the rest. Split. Okay, so as you can see, this is where the eyelet is. So this is the stitch. So I'm going to knit that one, and then here I'm going to make a yarn over right here in between. And then while I'm going to do that, I am going to knit these two together. So I'm getting rid of one stitch. I'm making a stitch and I'm getting rid of one stitch, just like this. And I'm going to continue knitting. Okay, here we go. So here's the eyelet. So I'm going to knit this one, and then in between I'm going to make a yarn over, and I'm going to knit these two together. Okay, and this is all to it. So continue knitting all the way around, and I will show you how to get rid of these stitches. I'm going to get rid of actually 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 here. So 6 stitches I'm going to get rid of. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am at the beginning where we picked up stitches. So this stitch I didn't knit. So what I'm going to use that technique. Pick up this middle stitch. So I'm going to get rid of 2 stitches. Okay, and knit these 2 together. And then slide this on top. Okay, and then I'm going to continue knitting. And this is all to it. So you knit this around and around until the length that you need, and then you continue making your eyelets. Don't forget these eyelets, as I did on the sleeve. Come on, oh my goodness, here we go. So So I came where the elbow, just the 3/4, I came all the way down here, and then I started making the lace. And yeah, you can, if you want, you can make the lace right away. It's up to you. It's your preference. I did it this way. And when I finished it up, I just knitted 1 row purl, and then I bind off. Okay, and this is what it gave me. You can do it either way. And I did continue doing my decreases. So after this decrease, I'm going to do it at 5 rows later. 5 rows later, I'll do one, get rid of 2. Again, I will knit 5 rows and get rid of, and then I will continue doing that decrease. But you don't have to. Like I said, mine was pretty wide. So I didn't want it loose when I wear it. I want it not snuggly, but you know, just a little bit room, but not too much. Okay, and that's what I did. Let me just show you one more. Okay, here we are. This is the middle. Don't knit this one. This is the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this stitch on the back and then move this and put that stitch back, knit these 2 together, and then pull it over. So we got rid of 2 more stitches. Okay. And then I'm going to continue knitting to where the other marker is. 6 stitches. So we're going to get rid of a total of 6 stitches. This way it's not that big. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that. Knit 2 together. And then pull this on top. So we're done with these 2 markers. I just got rid of 4 stitches at the beginning and at the end, and then I will continue to get rid of stitches every 5 rows. So I just wanted to share you this before I wanted to tape it before I continue knitting. So I hope you like this short tutorial on how to knit up the pickup stitches underarm. Okay, you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. And this is how it looks like.